Right, engineer. Repair that. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly up. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those evidence are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Right engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, gravity gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe we can get something from Hondo. Pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cockpit is bringing shooting. I think I'll let you tell the rules. Hold on. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. Let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, you're cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon. Oh, that is rough. All right, I'm making